This late-breaking work, entitled Habilyzer, Empowering Office Workers to Investigate Their Working Habits Using an Open-Ended Sensor Kit, is presented by Tjeu van Bussel, Roy van den Heuvel and Carine Lallemand from the Eindhoven University of Technology. Office work presents health challenges, triggered by unhealthy working habits. Technologies for vitality in the office context try to mitigate this, but are often solution-focused and fall short in acknowledging personal needs. We designed an open-ended sensor kit titled Habilyzer to investigate the value of empowering office workers to investigate their own working habits. Habilyzer is delivered to participants in a box that contains everything they need to get started: an instruction booklet, the base unit which displays sensor data, an ultrasonic distance sensor, an accelerometer, and some accessories like Velcro and a strap. The instruction booklet first explained the package contents and how to set up the base unit, connect the sensors, and charge them. No instructions were included for the specific usage of the kit or how to interpret their data, since this was up to the participant. Our research objective was to assess the efficacy of Habilyzer in triggering curiosity on working habits and a researcher mindset in office workers. We conducted 2 complementary studies: an in situ deployment with the exploration of the sensors as a starting point, followed by an online study investigating the possible inquiry questions into working habits, with a total of 9 users. The majority of participants investigated a work habit related to bad posture or sedentary behavior. Other notable habits included routines related to working from home. One participant placed the distance sensor under her monitor to see when she was typing, sitting, or away for lunch. The accelerometer was wrapped around her wrist. She thought it could see when she was typing. The participants in Study 1 did not gain many insights from the sensor data in this stage of development, but also value in a product like Habilyzer to gain insights into their working habits. In our studies, many participants deployed the sensors for diagnostic tracking. Most of our participants deployed the sensors to gain insight into the frequency, moments, and context in which their behaviors emerged. The Habilyzer kit, and especially the research booklet, triggered curiosity in participants into their working habits and tend to support a deeper layer of reflection in participants beyond simple awareness of a habit. To know more about how to use open-ended sensors in an office context, we invite you to read our open access paper or to visit our poster. Thank you for your attention.